Shri Gurudev. So, in last class we discussed about different determinant properties and determinant problems. Okay. So, in this class, today class is very important. It is very important for 3 marks question. Okay. So, every year they will ask 3 marks question in this concept. The concept is area of the triangle by determinant method. Okay, determinants already calculated now. How to calculate the 3 by 3 determinant? Okay, by using that property. So by using that property, determinant formula, okay, area of the triangle formula, you can easily calculate the area of the triangle and related problem. See, first you have to know that formula. Okay, area of the triangle is A point x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 and C x3 comma y3. Okay, these are the 3 vertices of a triangle. Just take any triangle. So this is A and this is B and this is C. A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. Okay, if vertices are given, how to calculate the area of the triangle? How to calculate the area of the triangle? See, if 3 vertices are given like this, A, B, C, what is the formula? Area of the triangle. Area of a triangle is equals to, so half into, okay, half into, in determinant method you have to use this formula also, this formula only, okay. If not means they won't give the marks in a PUC. See, what is the formula means? Half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. You have to use this formula. You know how to calculate the determinant for 3 by 3 matrix now. By using that that method, determinant method, you can easily calculate the answer. You will get the answer. Area of the triangle. This is very important formula. You have to go through this one formula. Half into, tell me, half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Okay, we will see related problems. Here you have to know some conditions. What is that? Area first, not area always positive. Area ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It's always positive. Okay. Negative comes means calculated means negative comes means you have to make a modulus. Put the modulus, you have to convert the positive. Okay. And second means what? If 3 points are collinear. Collinear means what? In last class already discussed. Collinear means if A, B, C. So these are the 3 collinear points. Collinear means it lies on the same line. Okay, it lies on the same line means if 3 points are collinear, area of the triangle is equals to 0. Why? Because we can't frame the triangle. Now you frame ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ triangle at least B ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬದಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ B ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. You can create the triangle. So ಈ B ಅನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ area of the triangle. Area we can't create the triangle also. That's why if a triangle is not there, how can we create the area? That's why we can't create the triangle and no area of the triangle is equals to what? 0. You keep it in your mind. These 2 points should be keep it in your mind. The 3 points are collinear means area of triangle is equals to what? 0. Very important point. Okay. So let us move to the problems. Problems are very important for the PU examination. Okay, please see. Have to find out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. If the vertices are like that, A 1, 0, B 6, 0, C 4, 3. Okay. First you have to write area of the triangle formula. If you write this one, you will get the 1 mark. Okay. Area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equals to, what is the formula? Tell me. Half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Okay, so this is the formula. What is x1 y1 here? 3 points are there. See, this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y2. Okay na, x3 y3. Right. Substitute these values here. Formula is very very important. First you have to write the formula. If you write this, they will give the you can get the 1 mark. Okay, don't miss, skip the formula. See, x1 1 0 1 0 1, x2 y2 6 0 1, 4 3 1 4 3 1. Okay, like that you have to write. So how to calculate the determinants? I will use here determinant. How to calculate the determinants? So is equals to half into, okay. So take the first row 1 into 0 1, okay, 2 0 1 0 1 3 1, okay, into minus 0 into anything is what? Minus 0 into anything 0. Leave it. We are not going to calculate that one. Again 1 into plus 1 into eliminate this column and this row 6043. Okay, so like that we have to calculate. See, half into 1 0 into 1 0, 3 into 1 3, 0 minus 3 minus 0, leave it, plus 1 into 6 3 ja 18 minus 4 0 leave it. So this is the answer. So 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 18 15. So 15. So therefore 15 by 2 square units. Like that you have to calculate the area of the triangle. Very very important and very very easy also. So see. So first you have to write the formula x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Have to substitute these values here. You have to calculate the determinant. If you know to calculate determinant value is determinant value means it will be more good. Okay. See next problem. Third problem. So second problem is homework. I will tell that also homework. Why? Because this is minus, more minuses are there. So some students feeling difficulty. That's why I am doing. See, area of the triangle. Area of triangle. Is equals to the formula half into x1 y1 1, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Have to write the first formula. Okay. So have to find out this one. x1 y1, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. Write down all these things, substitute here. So half into x1 1 by 1 minus 2 minus 3 1, 3 2 1 minus 1 minus 8 1. Like that you have to substitute all the values here and calculate the determinant value. Okay. First you have to learn how to calculate the determinant value. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಚ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ 2 to 4 times usually get the answer. You can see. We fix the first row. Fixed row ಮಾಡಿ 1 by 2 minus 2 into we have to eliminate first row and first column. And remaining is 2 1 minus 8 1, 2 1 minus 8 1. Okay, minus half minus 3 formula minus this one. Second one minus ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ, minus half, minus 3 is there second one, that's why minus 3 into minus 3 lies in first row and second column. Now eliminate this row and this column. Remaining what? 3 1 minus 1 1, 3 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 over. Next take last 1 into. So 1 lies in where? First row, third column. Eliminate first row and third column. Remaining thing add right hand 2 by 2 determinant. See, tell me 3 2 3 to minus 1 minus 8. 3 to minus 1. Like that we have to write. Okay na? Is equals to half into minus 2. Half into minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 minus 8 into 1, minus 8. Minus plus. Minus of minus 3 plus 3 into, okay, into, see, next 1 into 3 into minus 3 into 1 3 minus 1 into minus 1 into 1 minus 1, so minus plus. Next 1 into, okay, 1 into, see, next 1 into, okay, 3 8 jar minus 24, okay, 3 2 minus half minus 2 plus 2, okay, so like that you have to write. C is equals to half into minus 2 into 2 plus 8 10 plus 3 into 4 plus 1 into minus 22, 24 plus 2 is what? Minus 20. So therefore half into minus 20 plus 12 plus minus 20. Okay. What is the answer? 1 by 2 into minus 20 minus 22 minus 42. Okay, minus 42 12 plus 12. So what? 0 30 minus 30 by 2 is equal to, have to make the positive value. See here, minus 30 will become 30 now, 30 by 2 15. So like that, square units. Like that you have to calculate. See, first you have to write the formula half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, determinant, and substitute these values here and simplify according to the 3 by 3 determinant. Okay, if you don't know 3 by 3 determinant means, so go through to the previous videos nodi, observe ಮಾಡಿ. So there you can find the easy methods. Okay, very easy. If you have any doubt you can ask. So I will give the homework also, please wait. See, my dear students, second question and example 17 on the homework. See, 2, 7, 1, 1, 10, 8. Example 17, 3, 8, minus 4, 2, 5, 1. These two are the homework. You have to find the area of the triangle. First you have to write the formula. Okay, all students should practice that area of triangle, and you have to homework ಮಾಡಿ photo, have to click the photo and you have to send through WhatsApp. Okay, upload ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, my dear students, we'll see the next question. Write down this homework. We'll see the next question. Very, very important. Show that the points A point, B point, C point are collinear. Already told. When I am telling the formula now, at that time already told. What is that? Means if in order to prove the 3 points are collinear, what to prove? Area should be 0. Okay, area of the triangle is equals to 0 means that 3 points are collinear. So these points should be, keep it in your mind. Okay, ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ you have to calculate. So collinear ಗೆ area of triangle ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ? Already told. That's why I am telling. Okay, so area of the triangle you have to calculate. This is also very, very important question. First you have to calculate the area of the triangle. See, area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Okay, triangle is equals to triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is equals to formula. Tell me, what is the formula? Half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, see, substitute these values here. A point consider as x1 comma y1. This is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2, and this point is what? x3 comma y3. x3 comma y3. Okay. Substitute these points here. Okay. Half into x1 a b plus c. A b plus c 1. Okay. Next. x2 b y2 c plus a 1. Okay. Next. x3 c a plus b 1. Okay, like that first we have to write. So have to calculate determinant value is equals to 0. Okay, how to do this one? See once again. Half into. So fix first row, otherwise first column. First row fix part. A into okay. A lies in where? First row, first column. Eliminate this row and this column. And remaining things you have to write here. C plus A 1, A plus B 1. A plus B 1. Okay. Minus B plus C, no, B plus C. B plus C lies in where? It is in first row, second column. So eliminate first row and second column. So this one. So BC 1. So B plus C into 1. B plus C into B1C1. Okay, B1C1. Understood or not? See this one B plus C. Eliminate this row and this column. BC1. Understood or not? Next, what is that? Third one. 1. So 1 lies in where? First row, third column. So eliminate first row and third column. Okay. And remaining should be considered 1 into plus 1 into BC plus A, CA plus B. Okay. Like that you have to simplify. Okay. So you have to calculate answer. Half into, tell me, A into C plus A into 1, C plus C, minus A plus B into 1, A plus B. So minus A, minus B. Next. Minus B plus C, B into 1, B, C into 1, C, B minus. Okay. Next. Plus, see here, plus B into A. So BA. Okay. Otherwise, it is difficult. You can take some other method also. Okay, I will do that method once again. See, B into A, B into B plus B square minus C into C minus C square, C into A minus C. Okay. Next, simplify it. Okay. Half into AA cancel. AC A into B, AB plus B plus C into B minus C. B square minus B, C square, no, B square minus is there, minus B square, minus into minus plus C square. Okay. But plus BA plus B square minus C square minus C. So CA AC cancel, AB cancel, B square cancel, C square cancel. Half into 0 is equals to 0. So therefore area of the triangle is equals to 0. So this is a basic method. So the students feeling difficulty now. So this is this one. Illinois easy ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, they will substitute these values. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, so I will tell another method how it will be. See once again I will draw all these things. So you can adapt this method also. Otherwise, if you want easiness, okay, you have to use some technique. That's it. What is the technique means? You have to use the properties. Property you have to use. What is the property means? A, this is column 1, this is column 2. No, add column 1, column 2. C1 implies C1 plus C1 C2. C2 implies C2 plus C1. C2 plus C1. C2 plus what? C1. So which column is changing? C2. This one. How it is changing? Plus by applying the formula C2 plus C1. C2 plus C1. Here we add money. C2 unnaadu. So half into A, B, C same. 1, 1, 1, C. 1, 1, C. Okay na? Here we have to add fix money. Column 1 and column fix it. Both add A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. All A plus B plus C. No, right down here. So A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Understood? So here if you observe A plus B plus C is common in second column. No? Second column there is same values A plus B plus C. So make it common. So therefore half is already is there. A plus B plus C into A, B, C 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. This value is what? This value the value of this value is 0. Why? Because column 2 and column 3 are what? Identical. Column 2 and column 3 are identical. Same value. 1, 1, 1, 1. Notice? So that's why the value is equal to 0. Therefore, this value is 0. So you can give the reason also. This is easy now. So you can adapt this. But what difficulty is there? What is the difficulty means? You have to know this property. C2 implies C2 plus C1. Understood, my dear students? Please go through this video. So you have to know this formula well. This is very, very important. Today only you have to practice area of triangle. Some other problems are there. I will do in next class. Thank you, my dear students.